97 pesos. Wow, impressive, impressively expensive. Yep. Oui, juste. Welcome to Caramba Tuning Shop. Roy motorcycle. Sorry, Kuya. Let's get some breakfast.
Nawasya kaya sa lampia? Hindi na yun, no? Yung ayos niya, no? Open? Oo, ayaw.
Roy motorcycle part. This is where you can reflash your ECU for big bike, small bike. It's about 500 to 1000. The best is to message them on Facebook. They are here in Caramba. If you come out from the expressway, you just come out, you turn on the right, then you go straight, then you will find it near Total Milagrosa. Just find them on Facebook. First, thank you. It feels very good now. It always feels good, pero now a bit better. You can rev it a little bit higher. If you want also some GVT part, they have Irox, MX, Mio, Sniper, Honda Click. This morning somebody was there with the Honda Click changing the CVT for GVT. So you can just message them on Facebook, then they will reply to you. Bike feels nice. So just come some slacks, then you just go turn on the right, then go all the way straight, then you find them. That's the issue when you don't clip your bag. You know those moments when you come out to the wrong way and then you know but you don't know where you are? This is exactly what's happening. Where I am. No ID. I think I turned on the left. Anyhow, never mind. We are in Muntinlupa. it happened. I think I came here before with the CB. Pwede ba? I know where we are. O sige,